There's rock climbing and there's rock climbing. What are the basic fundamentals before anyone should go out there and attack the rock?
I think for climbers, before you get to somewhere like Mount French, this is quite an extreme climbing area. You really need to have undertaken a course of study or found some very experienced climbers to go out with. The main form of protection that we use when we're out climbing, Craig, is our ropes. These ropes, this is a dynamic rope. It's a lead climber's rope. It's rated to a European standard, EN 892, and it has a slight stretch in order to impact little force on our body when we're falling.
How much of a person can this rope take?
The ropes are capable of holding somewhere in the region of 1.5 tons to 2.5 tons, depending on the actual, so really, really strong. And they're designed in a way that only imparts a certain impact force on our body. The ropes, Craig, are attached to the harness. This is our main fall arrest device. We attach them to the belay loop. It's the strongest part of the harness, and it's rated to withstand falls. We either tie directly into the harness, or otherwise some people will use a carabiner into the belay loop as their main form of protection. There's two major roles in climbing. There's the climber and there's also the belayer. The belayer is the safety person, Craig. And their main job is, as the climber's climbing, is to protect them by locking off the device if they should fall.
It's good to know they're there. There's two fairly popular forms of climbing, isn't there?
Yes, there are. There's top rope climbing, which is what a lot of people start out by doing. It's where you're protected by an anchor from falls from above. And there's also lead climbing, like we're going to do today.
How do you keep yourself safe when you're lead climbing if you don't have the protection from the top?
When you're lead climbing, you need a variety of different devices, such as these. These are wires. They're all different sizes, as you can see. You have to find cracks of the right size to put these into. Then you can attach your rope to that. At that point, you're safe. There's also other devices, such as these. These are cams.
Okay, they're interesting.
Yeah, as you can see, they're different shapes, different sizes, and the idea is, again, you have to depress the trigger and the cam is fitted into rock of the right size. So you need a lot of technical skill to know how to place these. When they're placed correctly, they're fantastic forms of protection.
So this is a much more advanced style of rock climbing, really?
Yes, it's the next stage. Most people start out by top roping, then eventually they want to be able to lead a climb from the bottom of the climb to the top. It means we can do pretty much climb anywhere.